Top 5 Best Network Cable Tracker in 2025.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box.
Number 4, BSIDE FWT11 Network Cable Tester Detector, 100% brand new and high quality. This instrument is a multifunctional handheld cable testing tool. It has wide application with reinforced cable types and multiple functions. It is a necessary testing tool for telecommunication engineering, wiring engineering, and network maintenance person. Work perfect when RJ11 RJ45 cable is on power, wire tracing, trace RJ11, RJ45 cables or other metal wire, via adapter. Easy and fast to locate the breakpoint without opening the wire's cover. Network cable collation, judge short circuit, breaking circuit, open circuit and crossing, test line level, positive and negative polarity, status of telephone line checking, test. The working status of telephone line, idle, ringing, and off hook, and judge tip and ring line. Check wire continuity. Number 5, Network Cable Tracker Wire Tester. The BSIDE Network Cable Tracker Wire Tester is a versatile tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working with network cables. It supports various cable types, including RJ45, RJ11, Cat5, and Cat6 cables, and can detect cables up to 1,000 meters away. The device also performs wire continuity checks, ensuring no breaks or shorts in the cable. It can test positive and negative polarity for cables requiring specific orientation, ensuring proper signal flow. The BSIDE Network Cable Tracker also detects network cables, ensuring the correct cables are used. It also tests line level, allowing for accurate diagnostics of the cable's electrical characteristics. The tool is designed for safety with a safety class of IEC 61010-1600 VCAT3 and pollution class 2, making it suitable for various environments. The tester is user-friendly with a simple interface, and is durable and compact, weighing just 0.3 kilograms. It holds certifications including CE, FCC, and RoHS, and works seamlessly with routers, allowing for cable testing while the router is powered on.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.